Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, update Google Play Store. So let's go the easy way. What you're going to do, open the Google Play Store app on your phone, just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do is tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the search bar here. Alright, it will open up basically the settings. Now, yeah, what we need to do, scroll down a little bit and open up the settings. All right, now tap About, and the bottom of the page, to expand the section information, locate Play Store um, version line and tap the blue Update Play Store link. If an update is available, a background download and installation will begin automatically, just like that. So Google Play Store is up to date, as you can see. And yeah, if you see a pop-up stating Google Play Store is up to date, as you can see right here, your system is running the newest release. So yeah, this is basically how you can update Google Play if it's needed, but usually it's not. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.